EverSafe offers commercial metal buildings that are versatile and easily customized for virtually any application. EverSafe can design a commercial warehouse to support your business. Add a custom showroom or office for a flex space style warehouse. Commercial metal buildings can support large storage racks and are easily insulated. Customize one or all your garage door sizes to meet your daily operational needs. Large commercial RV and boat storage buildings can be designed with tall, multiple bay doors for an easily accessible, clear span, unobstructed interior. Check out this wide span 60 by 100 commercial metal building. It's perfect for machine shops that require custom features such as portable chain hoists, large industrial fans, commercial paint booths, and exhaust systems. EverSafe commercial banquet halls can be designed with architectural appeal, with covered walkways, large commercial-sized windows, glass roll-up doors, and hybrid features such as a gable overhang or lean-to. Every commercial metal building is delivered and installed by licensed contractors. Get the best value for your money with our free delivery and installation on your concrete pad. For a commercial metal building that you can afford, call 1-800-374-7106.